Tait here, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is sort of another channel update video. Yeah, I know, I just had one, but I think this is a change that needs to happen for me to develop as an artist. But before I go on to that, I'll just quickly say what I am drawing. I am just doing random sketches right there, but I do two sort of main sketches, which are of my American MSP character, so MovieStarPlanet. I just joined the American server because I thought, why not? So now I have Australian and American MSP, and that is what I'm drawing. And I also tried recording with my webcam rather than my DSLR, so hopefully the quality is okay. Anyway, back to the big news. I'm taking a break from YouTube. So, I'll explain more. I'm still going to upload occasionally, but it won't be consistent anymore. Only when I feel like it, which I don't think will be that often at the moment. There are some videos I'll be posting, I'll talk about them later though. So, I've noticed that I draw for YouTube now. It's the only time I take drawing seriously, which needs to change. I need to draw for myself again without the worry of recording or getting something done for YouTube. I want to make drawing my own again. I want to bring back the passion that I had for art before my shoulder played up. I look back and see how often I used to draw, while now I just really struggle. I physically can't draw as much due to my shoulder, but now things are improving and I feel like I can draw a little bit again. A lot more. Yeah, I can draw. I can draw again. But I feel like I have to put that amount of drawing into YouTube before my shoulder plays up. Like, I've saved my shoulder for YouTube sort of thing, and I don't want to do that. I want to do more studies, I want to do more traditional art, I want to improve, but currently the way I'm deciding to live, it just isn't happening. I do have more drawing time than I'm allowing myself, but I worry that my shoulder gets sore. I won't be able to get stuff for YouTube. Especially now that I spend like 6 hours on a chibi, that's double how long I used to spend. So that's, yeah, it's made it harder. And that's, yeah, more reasons contributing to quitting YouTube. And this is sort of a shitty time for me to realize that I need a break from YouTube. I'm getting close to 1,000 subs. I'm going to lose watch time and all that stuff. Did you hear my finger crack? It hurt. Partly I'm still going to upload occasionally, but not to a schedule. I have a collab that I will upload in a few weeks. My part is colouring my Annie Lacey, which Lacey was in my last video, so I wanted to give you a break from that. Also, I will reach 1,000 subs during this break, most likely. I assume I will, because I don't think it'll be ending soon. In which case I'll upload a video announcing my 1,000 subs giveaway, which is going to include Copic markers. I also have a giveaway running on MovieStarPlanet at the moment on my Australian account, which will close when I reach 1,000 subs on here. The price of that is a chibi, and I'll most likely have that as a YouTube video as well. So that's 3 videos to expect. You might get more. I don't know. Along with taking a break from YouTube, I probably won't place as much as a priority on streaming either. I feel the game streams are a more likely thing to happen, and I will still feel like streaming. So if you want to see me during this YouTube break, I'd recommend following my Twitch, or even better, join my Discord. All links are in the description of this video. I post regularly on my Discord. They're always the first to hear about things too. Like, I sort of announced this break to them a decent amount of time before I actually got around to making this video. Like, I don't even know, probably over a week. I was supposed to make this video probably a week or 2 ago. I've skipped 2 videos. Sorry for that. I decided it, but I haven't had the time because I've had things come up, like my exhibition, and I got called into work one of the days that I normally do my video stuff. Whoops. Anyway, I'll still be uploading my art to social media such as Facebook and DeviantArt and Instagram and all that stuff, so follow them. I do feel bad about making this decision, but I know it's what I need at the moment to grow more as an artist and to improve my skills. From the moment I decided to take this break, I feel so much better and I feel like I can draw again. Like, just drawing in the sketchbook even, I just want to draw in my sketchbook all the time now, which I didn't really want to, because I'm just like, what if my shoulder gets sore? I've said that like 3 times this video already. But yeah, that's basically what's happening. Also, I did have my exhibition on Thursday. And that went really well. I sold $52 worth of prints, and all the art was amazing, and just the venue was really cool and amazing. And it was so good. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you when I see you next. Bye!